Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to unbox my MONOS Carry-On Pro luggage. This coming February, me and Noel and two of our friends are actually traveling to Cancun, but this time we're going to north of Cancun. It's going to be in Costa Mujeres. So a little bit of backstory before purchasing this luggage is I think it was January 9. I was like watching some vlogs and I was, on my Facebook, and this brand keeps on coming into my timeline for I don't know, for no reason. Probably because I am planning for a travel, so it's just keep coming into my time feed. So what I did, I was intrigued, and I'm always curious, and I check out their website, and I love the luggage right away when I saw it. So before purchasing it, I was watching some reviews on YouTube, and it was really good. So something to invest for travel is definitely a luggage. So I knew some like very expensive luggage, and I don't really want to buy those ones because I don't know, for some reason I'm very careful with my carry-on. So the last carry-on that I have is a Samsonite, but I'm already like giving it to Noel because his carry-on luggage doesn't have TSA lock. So I'm giving him my old one, which is still decent. Like my Samsonite's pretty good. You probably saw it on one of my travel videos. So I decided to purchase, or should I say invest. So I invested this MONOS Carry-On Pro. So the first one I ordered is just actually the carry-on, just the basic one. I know there are some sizes. There are different sizes actually. There's carry-on, there's carry-on plus, there is carry-on pro, which is this one, and they also have like carry-on pro plus, and then there is this check-in medium and check-in large, and then the hybrid. So the hybrids are pretty expensive for me, like around 400 Canadian dollars. So this one is on sale right now. I'm gonna share screen the website price. I believe this is around 363 Canadian dollars. The reason I ordered this one is first, I love the color. The one that I got is olive green, so I'm always drawn to like natural colors. So without further ado, we're gonna unbox this one. So it actually like came first. Like I selected the Express Saver shipping from UPS, so I added like around $78 for this to be shipped like as fast as they can, so I can receive it before I'm traveling. So I just wanted to like do the unboxing on the table so you guys can see it. So I'm probably gonna change my setup here and probably like move my there you go. This one should be okay. So I'm going to unbox this one. Ta-da! Yo! So it comes with, you know that it's a luxury bag because it comes with a dust bag with a MONOS logo on it. And the fabric doesn't feel cheap, guys. It's actually really good. Oh, I'm so excited. So we're gonna open it. So, holy, this is it. My MONOS luggage. Oh my god. So this is a polycarbonate shell. So this matched my watch. But my watch is like a different green, but it's still green. So look at this. I saw some reviews. Sorry, I'm just gonna change the tilt of the camera. So I saw some reviews about the bag, and you know, not a lot of reviews. I think this is still very brand new brand, but I know Nordstrom is carrying this brand. So it comes with a TSA lock. This is approved TSA lock. So now it's actually like set to 0. And okay, I'm gonna like demo this to you guys because I'm getting excited for a trip. Oh my god. So I know this is a telescopic handle that goes from, so should I put it here so you guys can see? There you go. So this is the first tier, second, third. So okay, again, this is the first one, second one, first one, second one, and second one, third one. And it's very Alright guys, so the one thing I love about this bag is this front compartment. So if you see, so my Samsonite bag has actually a like front compartment like this, but this is really good for putting in your laptop, your iPad. I don't know, for some reason this is very hard, so this is very secured compartment for your gadget. So I'm going to get my MacBook so that I can demo it to you, like if a MacBook Pro 13-inch can actually fit in here. So I'm just gonna grab my MacBook. Okay, hello guys, so I'm back. So I just got my MacBook, and then see, you can easily fit this one in here. And for sure, because I'm gonna be editing while I'm in Cancun, so unfortunately when I went to Best Buy to buy like the inserts for this so I can put more USB and HDMI ports, so I have this. This is actually like a stand for my MacBook, so I can easily just put this one in here and probably like close the bag. I hope it fits. Okay, let me just grab this, and oh, it definitely fit. See? Pretty easy. So now guys, we're gonna go check what's the inside of this luggage. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, the one thing I love about this luggage is the side TSA lock. Because if it's in the top when you're walking and it's raining, then possible the water can go inside your luggage, but this one's on the side, which is really really good. So it comes with a TSA lock. You're just gonna have to lift this one, and then this one is now accessible, so you can open. Holy sorry, I think I just... So the one thing I love about this is this. Very sturdy, so you're just going to press and look. I don't know if this is plastic or metal, but this is actually going to help you press. Like if you have lots of t-shirts here, then it will help you press the t-shirts or whatever stuff you're putting in here. So sorry, I am not really visible, but this is just for the purpose that you can see what's inside. So that one, so we'll just put it back. So let me just put this again so I can open this side. So this is what's on the other side. Pretty good space, but you know what? Since I put my MacBook on the front compartment, it actually eats a little bit, or I'm not sure if this is because, or this is really a designated. It's a hard shell too, so I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's not my MacBook. It's just really like a protective like piece, so that you know, like if you're putting your MacBook in here, it's not really gonna like put some dings or scratch on your MacBook. So yeah, well, the purpose of this is just like for carry-on, right? They said that you can actually pack stuff for 5 days in here, 4 to 5 days. I'm not sure, but I can put like a screenshot from the website. So what comes with the Pro, guys, is this thing. So it's a MONOS luggage tag. Oh, this is good for scuff, like scratches in your bag. You're basically just using this, and if you don't have this anymore, you can just buy in your grocery stores. And this is like a card where you can set your TSA lock. And also, because I bought a Pro bag, I keep on saying bag. Well, technically it's still a bag, but it's a luggage. So I have a laundry bag and also 2 shoe bags. Which is pretty handy. So really that's it, guys. So I would... So guys, pretty much that's it for the unboxing and really going into that the inside of the bag. But I'm also gonna grab my old Samsonite just to give you a little bit of comparison between the two, okay? So just stay, just don't go, just watch the whole thing. If you're planning to buy a MONOS, I can definitely put my link down below. So I'm not sure if it's really a commission, but they give me a link for my friends to use, and you guys can get, you know, like a discount on it. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so as what I'm saying earlier, this is my old carry-on luggage. Whew, that was a stare there. So this is my old carry-on luggage that I bought from Samsonite in Puerto Vallarta. So this is, how many years is this already? I had this luggage since 2016, if I'm not mistaken, because that was the first time we went to Mexico, and it's in Puerto Vallarta. So this one's pretty good. It's hard shell on the side, but not really like here and in the front. But it has like front compartment where I also can put my my MacBook. See, like there's compartment on it, but it's not a hard shell compartment, so I can definitely put like a video, a side-by-side video. So guys, I'm gonna do another video comparing both, but I'm gonna do it after my trip in Mexico because basically it's a no-brainer if you're gonna say just, you know, like how it looks right now. I definitely kind of leaning into the MONOS, but like after a trip in Mexico where I already, you know, used this luggage, I will be able to do a side-by-side comparison between the two in terms of like how it looks, the accessibility, and also like how it really performs like if you're already traveling. So guys, if you are still watching at this point, thank you so much for watching my my video, and if you wanna see more of this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am really trying to grow my channel, and I would really appreciate your subscription, and also give some comments and feedbacks in the comment section so I can do some changes, or you know, like your feedback's really important for me to grow as a new YouTuber, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click that notification bell button so you're gonna be updated with my future Canadian life and travel vlogs. Peace out.